This is the second question. Based on graphical method, we need to find out the solution of linear programming, linear equation by graphical method. Again, you have two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now, what is my step? My steps are, first you take equation number 1 and find out the different coordinate of x and y by making table. So, my equation first is x plus 2y equal to 3. Now you make one table where putting some x value will give you some y value. So randomly you take 0, 1, 2. Okay. When I put directly I am going to solve. If I put x equal to 0, what is my y value? If I am putting x equal to 0, my y value is what? 3 by 2. It comes 1.5. Now if you put x equal to 1 here, if you put x equal to 1, so 1 plus 2y equal to 3. If you go this move this 1 in right hand side, you will get what? X equal to 1 plus 2y. I am getting 1 over here in this equation equal to 3. So 2y equal to what? 3 minus 1, 2. So y equal to what? 1. So you will get y equal to 1. Now when you put x equal to 2 in this equation, what you will get? So x equal to 2, if you are putting over here, you will get 2 plus 2y equal to 3. So 2y equal to what? 3 minus 2 comes 1. So y equal to what? 1 by 2, it comes 0.5. Now, so this value is what? 0.5. Now you have 3 coordinate of x and y. Now move to the graph plotting. Okay. Now this is my positive x-axis and this is my positive y-axis. This is my negative x-axis and this one is my negative y-axis. Now my coordinate of x vary from 0 to 2. So I write 0, 1, 2 only. 1 and 2. And my y move from, my maximum limit is what? 1.5. So I move 1 and 2 only. Right. Now, when x equal to 0, what will be my y? I am locating each coordinate point on the graph. So this x positive, y positive, x equal to 0, y equal to 1.5. X equal to 0, y equal to 1.5. So this is 1, 2, so 1.5 is here. This is the point of 0, 1.5. X equal to 1, at that time y equal to also 1. So x equal to 1, y equal to 1. So this is my point 1, comma 1. This coordinate. Now when x equal to 2, y equal to 0.5. When x equal to 2, y equal to 0.5, this is 0.5. So I can plot somewhere this point. Okay. So these are 3 common points, 3 different points. Now you draw a straight line between all these 3 points. So I am going to draw a straight line which make all this common point on the line. Okay. Now this is the straight line for the equation x plus 2y equal to 3. So this is the straight line for this equation x plus 2y equal to 3. And these 3 are the 3 coordinate points. Now I move to equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now equation 2, this is 2x minus y equal to 1. I rewrite this equation over here. And now I am going to draw a table and find out the different coordinate by putting x value 0, 1, 2. Now when you put x equal to 0 in this equation, what you will get? So if I am putting x equal to 0 here, you will get 0 minus y equal to 1. So y equal to minus 1. So if you put x equal to 0, you will get y equal to minus 1. Now when you put x equal to 1 over here, what you will get? So if I am putting x equal to 1 here, so you will get 2 into 1 comes 2 minus y equal to 1. So minus y equal to minus 1. So this minus minus gone, y equal to 1. So when you put x equal to 1, you will get y equal to 1. Now what is the value of y when x equal to 2? So in this equation, if I am putting x equal to 2, you will get 2 into 2 comes 4. Minus of y is equal to 1. So minus y equal to what? 1 minus 4, minus y equal to minus 3, minus minus get cancelled, y equal to 3. So in this case, when x equal to 2, my y value is what? 3. Now with the help of 3 coordinate point, now I am going to make a straight line which represents this equation. So when x equal to 0, y equal to minus 1. So this is my minus y axis. X equal to 0, y equal to minus 1. So this is the point of 0, minus 1. When x equal to 1, y equal to also 1. X equal to 1, y equal to 1, this is the second point. When x equal to 2, this is my second point. Now, when x equal to 2, y equal to 3. X equal to 2, y equal to 3, 1, 2 and 3. So this is the point. Now, with the help of 1, 2, 3 point, now I am going to draw a straight line. This straight line represent equation 2x minus y equal to 1. So this line represents this equation. This line represents this equation, and this line, both lines are intersecting at one common point, and this is the common point where the both lines are intersecting. And this point will be the solution of your linear equations. So what is this? What is the coordinate of this point? X is 1, y is 1. So this is the coordinate 1 comma 1. So my solution of the linear equations are x equal to 1, y equal to 1. So this will be my solution. Now check whether this answer correct or not by putting this value in any of the equation. If I put both value in equation number 1, what I will get? X equal to 1. So I am putting x equal to 1. So this value become 1 plus 2 into y, 2 into y, 2 into y, 2 into y, this value. So this is 1 plus 2, that will equal to 3, which is similar to my right hand side value. It means my answer is correct. So this is the procedure. Again, with the help of two equation, you make two tables representing different coordinate of x and y and draw a straight line. You need to plot different coordinate by equation 1 and by equation 2. Draw two lines where the both lines are intersecting. That will be your solution. This is the approach of graphical method.